family.
And we are just new here at the YouTube industry. We're offering you guys some cooking videos, some dance craze, beauty and love advices, some makeup and nail tutorials, fashion videos, and maybe some follow us vlogs if you would like, and some tag videos. If you want any other videos that you would like us to do, just comment us below, and don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video if you would like this. We're hoping you guys to support us at our videos. And guys, would you like to say something?
I love you guys. And we look forward to your comments, your requests.
Guys, we're connected.
I feel we're connected.
Yeah.
So if you would like to ask us something about us, about anything, just leave a comment or video response below, and don't
love
forget
to
subscribe
read it.
and thumbs up.
Yes.
And
Follow us in Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and our YouTube channel. Subscribe it.
All our accounts will be active for you guys, and all of our accounts will
Yes.
just leave it at the down
Information, right? Information.
description area or something.
Just add us in Facebook.
Twitter, Instagram, guys.
Guys, we will be also doing some DIY and music videos.
Yeah.
Yuck.
So that's it.
Bye.
Bye-bye.